Hi, my name is Nikolai Ostapovich and today I'll show you the PiCam module. It's an unboxing video. So here I have one. It's the PiCam module for the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. Okay, it comes in a little white box. And what hits me first? It's a manual. Manual folded in German and English language, and if I want to have it as a PDF file, I can download it from the website. So inside the box is the module, yeah, and a little sticker. So here the module, what can I do with this? I have two USB ports here, micro USB. One port is for data, so this is the service port, and the other one is for power, so it's a power interface over micro USB. On the bottom of the side I have the two 100 pin connectors for the compute module, and if I turn it around on the upper side I have the 15 pin connector to the camera. I can connect almost every camera, every 15 pin camera in the world, but to show you how it works, I have here a Raspberry Compute module, and if I want to make it together I have to be sure that they're good aligned to each other, so that's a congruent outline, and don't make it in any angle because the pins are really fine and I don't want to hurt them. So now I have the compute module on the bottom side, and here is missing a camera. So I have here my Raspberry version 2 camera, the ribbon cable to connect it. It's and the really small, it's almost tiny version 2.1 camera, and that can be assembled here to the upper part, so the holes here has the right distance to assemble directly together, so it's really tiny, small and compact in one single piece. So, and then I have the night vision camera with screws in it to assemble everything and make everything fit together. Here we go. Oh, the camera as well. The screw holes are fit directly to this module to connect everything. Screws, and of course the lights, the cable to connect it. So now I have to take the screws, assemble them right to the camera, and then onto the PiCam module. And then I have really compact night vision camera here, infrared camera, smaller than ever, and for that case I show you how it looks in the end. This is a camera, and if you want to make it as beautiful as I do here, you should take the step file. You can download the step file for the housing from our website. So I would guess it's a really nice night vision camera I have here. Now comes the attention part. Please keep care how you cable it. The cable, of course, it's a ribbon cable with 15 pins. Yes, because I have a 15 pin connector from 1 to 15, and I have 1 to 15 connector here on the camera side. So that sounds easy, so connect, boom, yes, no. It don't run like that. You have to keep care if the 1 to 15 is the same like the 1 to 15 of the camera, or it's 15 to 1. So in other, otherwise you would destroy everything. You would destroy the raspberry. There will be no fire, but it will never work again. And the camera as well, that will be directly destroyed. So keep care that 1 to 15 on raspberry board comes to 1 to 15 to the camera, or 15 to 1. Then you have to turn the cable around and connect it otherwise. Yes, you have to keep care, because the night vision camera, I think, is 15 to 1. I don't really know. Please read the data sheet. And the version 2 comes with 1 to 15. But maybe I'm wrong. So you have to check really that it fits to that fit. So turn the cable around and make it fit. Yes, please read the data sheet. It's an important thing. Here I have the high resolution. Here is the same. You have to read where is the one where the 15, what runs on which pin. Yeah, so we have it, I think we have it here in the data sheet as well. In the end, what you can do with a PiCam module. You can assemble one of the smallest Raspberry Pi cameras in the world. You take our PiCam module, take your own Raspberry Pi compute module, assemble together. Take a camera of your choice, a small one, a night vision one, or the high resolution cam. You can screw everything together and assemble a really nice camera. Make your own housing, and then you have a really tiny version 2 camera, or in a housing. You decide what is your project about. The lens is quite bigger than the camera. Take the PiCam module and make your project. Thank you. See you next time.